What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and not to my kitchen. This is going to be a hotel grocery haul, you guys. Let me tell you something. I've never, ever done a hotel grocery haul. But since I'm here in Florida for a couple of days, God only knows how long this is going to be my second home. I decided, let me go do some kind of a grocery haul, but wanted to keep it cheap and affordable and on an extremely friendly budget. So I decided to go into the Dollar Tree here in Florida. And the particular Dollar Tree that I went to, this dollar store is located in Kissimmee, in Florida, right? All right, so let me show you what I did find, and kind of tell you why about what I bought. All right, and as you can see, to prove to you, I'm in the hotel, right? So no say I'm not hotel there in somewhere. No, I'm in the hotel, you guys. Okay. All right. So the first thing I got at the Dollar Tree was this. I wanted a plate, so I got a plate. I got like something to make my cereal or whatever that I want to make for breakfast, and then I got a cup here. Now I fell in love with this cup because it represents cancer. Think pink. Don't know, so my sister deal with stage 4 cancer, right? So that is definitely, for Sissy and everybody else that is dealing with cancer right now. Just know that God got you. Never give up on your faith and your belief, and just keep fighting, right? So Sissy, if you're watching this, this is for you. I bought this thinking about you. Yeah, that's why I bought this. So that make my tea, my cereal, and if I want to make a little quick dinner, yes, so I needed a plate. And then in the Dollar Tree, I did get some spoon, right? To go with whatever cereal or whatever I make, oatmeal, and some fork. I never want buying a knife. I never feel like I need a knife for that place, yeah. Now, what else I got? I got me some toothpaste as well. This was $1. Everything is $1.25. Because I know so the Dollar Tree went up 25 cents, right? Then I got some straw. Let me tell you, I do not like the straw, but right now, I forgot my straw at home, so I had to pick up something. So this is the best one that I saw. They did have some other ones, but for right now, the hotel life, this is what's going to have to work for right now, right? And then I did pick up this almond milk here. They had different kinds of milk. They had oatmeal too. I didn't want to get the oatmeal, but the oatmeal one was unsweetened, and I don't know how it's going to taste. So I didn't want to chance that because $1.25, right? I don't know. But so I did decide to get this. I had this before. It wasn't the best, but it's definitely not the worst. And right now, that's what we're going to use, right? Now, they also had this. I must say, in this particular Dollar Tree, this is the first time I'm seeing this one. I know they have oatmeal in the Dollar Tree, but this is the first time I'm seeing this brand. They do have another one there. This is the instant one, the quick oats one. But they do have another one. I guess that's the old-fashioned kind of one. I didn't want that one because a hotel I do it, and in this hotel I do have a microwave. So whatever I'm doing here, it has to be fast, easy, and simple, right? Because I'm a yard me there. Now, I also decided to get these. I never had these before. I had ramen noodles, but I never had these before. This is my first time actually purchasing this. And they do have like maybe 2 other flavors that I did see, but I wanted chicken only, so I did decide to get the chicken flavored one. And then I did decide to get the spicy one. The spicy one, I'm hoping that it's not really spicy, but I figured this would work. All I have to do is just add a little bit of my water, add it to the microwave, put it in there for 4 minutes, as it says on the package. 4 minutes, just add water, and I'll have some noodles. So I could probably have this when I'm hungry. It does have corn and different veggies in it, so I'm hoping that it's good. This one, yeah, this is a spicy, and this is just a regular one. So Yeah, I got two of those, $1.25. And then I've had these several times. This is the strawberry banana. That's very good. And then I decided to get the guava nectar one. Yeah. So this is a good buy. And then for my tea, I did decide to get this to put in my tea, some lemon juice. This is definitely concentrated. It's not the best, but a hotel me there, right? So I can pick and choose. And so I am going to be making like, I'll say some matcha. So I just decided to get this. I'm going to go all this tomorrow and grab some whipped cream so I could make my own because Starbucks is giving some prices, okay? So I'm going to make mine here. And I did get this though. This is some coffee creamer. This is sweet cream. Right, so I'm gonna get this. I'm hoping that this doesn't hurt my stomach because I am lactose intolerant, you guys, really badly. So to make sure that I'm okay, I did get this. It says gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Just in case, because honey, we don't want no situation, okay? TMI, okay? We don't need no situation while I'm away from home, okay? So anything start like a fool, we're gonna just deal with the case with this. Hopefully it work. I've never seen this in the Dollar Tree where I'm living either, but yeah. And so I did decide to get this one, and this one does have milk in it. If you guys ever had this, let me know if it's good down below, okay? I'm not going to drink it until I see y'all comments if you have ever had this. But it says breakfast essentials here, mixed berry, natural drink. I hope it good, I don't know. So I just didn't want to have a little belly situation. So I'm definitely going to be taking this for sure. So that's that right here. And then as far as my sweetener is concerned, I didn't get any sugar because I'm trying to stay away as much as I can from sugar. So to substitute that out, I'm going to add some honey to my sweetener for my oatmeal. If I need a little bit of sweetener, I just use the honey instead. All right, so I did get this water. I never had this one either, but this one is alkaline water, so this should be good. 65 alcohol, whatever that means, whatever. So I'm hoping that is good because I've had alkaline water already that I purchased in Ross for $3 and it was disgusting. I could taste it, tastes so acidy. So I'm hoping this one is given. If not, I'll throw that out. And then I did get this Mountain Dew here. I don't like Mountain Dew because Mountain Dew is very sweet. I prefer to have ginger ale, but they didn't have any ginger ale. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm just going to add like I'll say 2 cups. No, I'll say 1 cup, right? Or even less than 1 cup. If I had 1 cup of the Mountain Dew, then I'll add 1 cup of water. If I have a half a cup of this, then I'll have half a cup of water. So I'm going to dilute this down half and half with a lot of ice because I just need something that is refreshing with a little bit of flavor, but I don't want to be too sweet. And this one here, let me see if it's caffeine free, y'all. It doesn't even say caffeine free. No, I think this is killer free. But yeah, I'm going to dilute that down and make it turn into water. And I did get this sweet pickle. For some of you guys that don't know, even though I'm a Jamaican, I love sweet pickle. I'm obsessed with sweet pickle, you guys. So that was $1.25 and I did pick that up. And they had this golden crust patty in there. I've had their patty already. To be honest, I've definitely had their patty already in the Dollar Tree. And it wasn't bad, $1.25. Golden crust is probably like $3 for this, so I did save. So I'm hoping that it tastes really good. The date is pretty good on there, so that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna make sure I eat that up tomorrow. And then I did pick up for a little bit of, if I have a little sweet taste or whatever. This is 6 days, and you'd have 6 in it, so this will last me for 6 days. After like a dinner or so, I'll probably have this with breakfast or whatever, because I did buy these as well. But let's talk about this. This is $1.25. I've had cinnamon roll before, but I've never had the Dollar Tree brand. So I'm hoping that it's given. Everything is a hope now. Everything here, y'all, is a hope, okay? This right is an extreme hope. I have never bought a breakfast biscuit and sausage and egg and then something. This is egg. If you guys ever had this also, please comment down below and let me know if you have ever had this. This is my first time eating this, you guys. Sausage and egg sandwich here. Me know say who have this? I think this they have this in I say McDonald's or something. Yeah, McDonald's have this. And I never eat it. Even my buy them breakfast meal and it comes with one of them, I always give it away. So, because me at the hotel and I can't pick and choose and I'm trying to save costs here, I'm going to try it. And if I don't like it, then it's the next. Okay, but I did only pick up one because what my bread me I run from. This one is the croissant. I've had croissant many times. This one has cheese to it, sausage. It says pork, chicken, sausage, and cheese on this one. I don't know. Me will see what I go on with this. I'm not really crazy about the pork part, but you know, bakers and choosers, right? We'll see. I have two of it, so if I don't like either one of them, then it's the next for that one. All right, and so I did have decided to get this right here, a honey nut toasted oats for breakfast, right? Yeah, that's what I got. And then they had these there. I used to buy, which one? This one at the Dollar Tree. But I never saw this one in the Dollar Tree where I'm living now. I put it on my car and on my truck. So, yeah, I decided to get these. If I know I'm not going to use the entire thing here, so I could take this home. Can probably get hubby one 15 car antifreeze and water remover. I guess this is the same thing too, antifreeze and water remover. I don't know why. They said the same thing on there, but they have different colors. Let me see. Remove water year round. That's what that says. And this one says the same thing too. But I don't know why it have different color. What the difference? Faster start. This says same thing too. Faster start. I guess I must run out of paper. I don't know. But yeah, but I've used this many times. I already know about this Castane here treatment for your tongue. Okay, that's good. So that is what I did get already for my room. That's all I got. I'm not buying anything else. I did get these yesterday in Publix. I went to Publix and I bought the honey mustard and I bought some sweet chili sauce for my chicken. This is from Aldi's. Some pistachio nuts, and I do have some oatmeal. This is oatmeal and apple. It may feel snacky, but let's go ahead and work that. You know, it's kind of sweet, so as you can see, it's still full. I only have two of them, but they're pretty good, pretty soft. But I only have like one cookie. I had one cookie yesterday. Well, I had two actually, and I haven't had any today. So that's good. I don't need no one for them cookie business, right? But that is it, you guys. This is my grocery haul here for my room for now. And then if I need to get something outside to eat solid, then I'll get that. But for right now, the moment time I wake up, at least I have something to start my day. They do offer breakfast downstairs, but I choose not to go down there. Dave's breakfast is from 6 to 9. And I'll be sleeping from 6 to 9, so I'm not going to miss it anyway. But I really prefer to just go ahead and munch something in the room. And then I'll go out and have like lunch or something to eat or whatever, dinner or whatever outside. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Please do not hesitate to thumbs it up on your way out. If you want me to do more shopping hauls like this, especially the hotel shopping haul, yeah, let me know. And then I'll definitely do another one for you guys, okay? Alright, y'all, and I'm definitely going to be bringing some vlogs. I'm going to be going, I'm not sure if I'm going live or whatever, but I'll let you guys know on the Coming to the Wall. I'm presently in Florida, and again, my sister has cancer, so this is why I'm here. So you guys might see some videos here and there cooking and stuff. Those were already the videos that was done a while back. So I give you guys those videos just to keep the channel from going flat. And yeah, if I'm vlogging, I'll definitely give you guys that. But otherwise, pray for me and, you know, pray for Sissy as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, guys. Be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.